It's dark in here.
I just flipped off the camera.
No. It's fine, I guess. So, studio. Something.
Studio vlog. Tally Hall. What do they call it? Boralog?
Boralog.
Boralog.
Something. It's gotta be natural.
Yeah, don't.
Can you close it?
Set it in the office here for now, and then we can figure it all out later. Welcome.
It's nice to meet
This is used primarily for mixing North Coast Online currently.
Really? Is that what this is all gonna happen?
That's Caden. He's the other
Hey Kaden,
singer.
what's up, man?
It's good to
Nick,
see you.
nice to meet you.
Yeah.
And then that's Dylan.
Hey, what's up, Dylan?
Nice to meet you. Filming is weird. We have to get on the camera.
Guys, welcome.
Oh, hold on. Wait for him to get his glory shots on Instagram.
Wait, I wanna see.
Good morning. Can you check it out?
Yeah.
Do I need to like take off my shoes?
No, man.
How
Come
was
on
made
in.
video.
Come on in.
Whoa.
Check it out.
Yeah. Awesome.
It's so sick.
This is like the
Yeah,
this is like
great
Dead Mouse
space.
studio.
Dead Mouse's studio?
Yeah.
He lives in like a cave though.
Yeah. Nice. Wow.
This is really cool.
This is sick.
How's the drive?
Wet. Fortunately, we stayed inside most of the time on that drive. But man, I thought I was gonna let up by now.
Yeah.
We got
no.
someone else on the way in. You guys.
Levi. Someone got Dylan call him.
Cool.
Call Levi.
My phone's
Here's the good news, Nick.
Hold it tightly.
If it sucks, ain't no one ever gonna see you. But if this is something, people are gonna watch you on this documentary. So.
Should I put this on the? Should I put the guitars on the guitar stand or?
Yeah, we can totally use that.
Okay.
I move my guitar out of the way, and then you know what we can actually do for now is
It's immaculate.
Yeah,
Get this on.
yeah,
Get this on
Oh
film.
my gosh.
Who plays bass? Oh, that's you on the bass. Yes. That was one of my favorites. Living on a Prayer, the beginning of the way it starts.
That's not a bass, that's a- Oh.
but you know, like
We're gonna be great.
Yeah.
We're gonna own you.
Yeah, that's why I was like, there's a
You're gonna wash our feet.
Hold on to what we've got.
I'm filming.
Doesn't make a difference if we're on that.
What is all this?
These two little speakers.
Yeah, that's just those two little speakers. Because you want it to be overdriven, right?
It's another band it's another band I'm in.
It's worse.
And Barak was in it for a little bit, and I don't know, his taste kind of just like didn't mesh well with all of it. Like, we wanted to do metal, and Barak wanted to do No Surprises by Radiohead.
Did you really?
Yeah. And like everybody was kind of like getting mad at each other or whatever, and then like Barak's gonna say the band started some other way, but I think it started this way. Like after one of the practices, I like texted him like, hey, we can like start our own thing, you know, that sort of style.
Jonah does not believe forever. You don't know him.
I don't know. He gathered all you guys. He was the one who like assembled it. What?
You were just a Rock the Hill band.
Yeah, I think. Well,
did.
because
We weren't
I think
just
we wanted to do
Rock
Rock the Hill in the Pound, and wasn't working out, and so I said we can do another band that's in that sort of style, and he was up for it.
Yeah, we're interviewing.
Can we come in? Everybody got to listen to the. We're not done.
Okay. Oh, it's on.
Oh my gosh, Dylan, can you chew gum and walk at the same time?
Shut up.
This is Kaden.
So this is the studio. No, come on, get it.
Oh,
This is the studio. Encinitas.
This is the
Called,
studio.
Citrus Junior.
We in the studio.
We are here. Let's let's take a round.
Dude, that amp buzz is crazy.
It's wild. Obviously,
That's with my volume all off.
We got the amps. This is the amp room. The lounge room. VIP section.
VIP section.
As you can see, the fridge is loaded up.
Loaded up.
It's ready to go. we got waters. Lunch. It's a fully functional sink with
Gonna
coffee,
demo it?
tea.
Wait, demo the sink. Wash your grubby hands. It's soap.
Oh yeah.
With soap. Dude. You probably pretend to wash your hands in the bathroom.
I just put on the face when
Next song
This
here.
one's so loud. Oh, are we doing Harvey too?
Yeah, let's do Harvey too.
Let me get my guitar stuff set up real quick. Oh my gosh.
I don't know how much. What's in this one?
Smile.
He is the cooler one.
Well,
Use
there's
the thingy
plenty to go from here, but this is a great starting point. Let's. I'm gonna patch in a compressor on that snare drum, and I'm gonna try tweaking the EQ on that a little bit. Let me hear where it's at, just without any mics on it. Will you just play your snare for me? Is it meant to tip that much? Do you do that on purpose?
No.
Why don't you get that set up comfortable? I'll adjust some mics.
Where at?
Just hold it. Don't go too far because it's not long enough. I need to get another one, plug it in. I mean,
I guess we'll have to figure out when they get here.
It smells so bad. We're like so bad.
No,
But it's so much better.
This is sick.
Yeah.
What up, camera? Gang gang.
Dude, where do you get all this the stuff, the clothing?
Like bins, maybe sometimes
Bins.
other sellers, or
Yeah.
and then where else? Thrift shops.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
All curated.
All curated.
Dude, that's cool. You can like start a business out of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, I'm actually full time, so I've been
Oh, really?
full time since July.
Wow.
So almost a year.
I usually do my kid's sweater.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no.
No, let's do it. 'Cause that'll be
Not the ever long.
Yeah,
Not the ever long.
Oh yeah. What?
Botched this entire set. It sucked.
We also,
Man, I
none of
was
us
so
knew
mad.
our parts.
Oh yeah. I don't know why we chose to do that. We didn't have to do that.
Yeah, we didn't have to play there, and none of us knew the songs. My voice was completely gone.
I was there. That was the
You
first
were
thing my
there.
grandma went to.
So many people were there. I was late. Barak didn't have his voice. Dylan.
His pants.
Dylan pissed himself. Kaden died. And we had to bring him back to like 15 minutes before our set.
Levi
Oh
ate
my
a
God,
baby.
Levi.
Stood there
What
for
happened
5
next?
minutes arguing about whether we were gonna do the next songs or finish the set. We did Everlong, and I have to like scream that whole song, and I couldn't get anything out, and it was just we had to stop like halfway through. I couldn't hear my amp, and I couldn't sing it. That was
I remember that day, like,
And then what happened?
Like,
Because
Levi
that,
was
what,
back
so
of my
mad.
head. I was
what
so
happened? Because
mad.
that day.
I left maybe 10 minutes later, and
He texted in the group chat,
I texted the group chat, I quit.
and then Kaden said "bruh" and I said "okay," and that month me and Kaden wrote like half the album. And then we came back. I sent Levi like 8 paragraphs. I got on my knees. I begged, please just give us one more chance. We'll be really good this practice. And then Levi was like, fine. Yeah.
If we're not yelling the entire practice at each other, and we actually practice, then I'll try again. And then I tried again, and then I heard the music. Oh,
We showed him
okay.
all the new songs. We liked it.
I liked it, so I was like, okay, fine. Yeah,
Smooth sailing.
still
ever
on
since.
thin ice. You guys
Now
have
we're all happy and love
still
each
have 2
other.
strikes left.
Go down the alleyway. That way.
This video, Citrus Jr. goes to lunch.
Like, just do a whole collage of getting people telling you to turn the camera off. Like walking in places, being disruptive with the camera. Then, sir, you gotta turn that off.
Oh, yeah.
Turn
Turn
the camera off compilation. And then just a whole. Oh, great. You guys were tight together. We were just for a little ahead of time. Here we go. Let's do it again.
You know, this bar, this is the reason right here. Like, when I'm sorry I missed you guys play, but I didn't know. Yeah. You know, I have the calendar.
Once again, we are Citrus June. Drums are still being poured. So, if you want to bottle of the can. Thank you. I remember when Barak asked me to join the band. I'd only been playing guitar for like 3 months, so it was weird being in a position where I was like playing in a band when I didn't know much about guitar, and I didn't even listen to much of rock music, so it was kind of interesting. And now like being in the studio, it's kind of cool because I've been able to expose myself to different like styles of music
rock music. I've been able to play guitar better. It's a pretty cool experience. Now it's been about a year, and I guess now I'm still okay at guitar, but it's all for fun. One thing I noticed from Nick is that he is very particular about like sounds and guitar and like all the recordings. Like all the songs were probably like the 10th or 12th take of the guitar riff or whatever it was, and he's like very particular about it. I think Harvey, the first one, is kind of interesting because that was the first song that I wrote, and I had written it for Barak. I wrote it with Barak's voice in mind, and then he told me that he wanted me to sing it, which is kind of interesting because I never thought of myself as a singer or even like a real musician. But it's cool that now I'm able to be a part of something bigger. So Harvey it's a cool song. I like it. Hopefully other people like it too. A lot of the songs, like for Harvey, we thought it was a cool name, cool word, and we've heard songs with that title before. Yeah, the whole album is just jokes. It's funny, but it works out.
Your part.
Sorry. All right.
What are you recording for?
Just to kind of
For fun?
For Jacob.
There's cool imaging guitar.
Hi, Jacob.
Stuff. I want to fill that out. And maybe like an organ.
We were bugging trying to do percussion without you last time.
Yeah.
Me and Kaden couldn't clap on
Singing
to
it
the.
out.
Could be cool.
It could be cool. I
messing that up.
kind of shouted in there. Come on, kid. Yeah, this could be cool. Not like shout, just, hey! That kind of thing, you know.
What? Since when? What? No, it's.
A lot of air.
It's the whoa.
Push out all your air before you do it, and then take a huge breath in.
Show
So you go.
Oh yeah, that's how you hold your breath long.
All dogs go to heaven. Not all cats go to hell. Not all Christians preach the Bible.
I don't
What
know.
do we?
That's, you know what? Iffy.
Yeah.
You guys ready to all lose your voices? I feel like your energy's up there, and it
Yeah.
just says like, not all dogs go to heaven. You guys just scream it. I don't even want like singing. I just want just death metal screams from everybody.
Not all dogs go to heaven. Not all cats go to hell. Not all Christians preach the Bible. You were blowing up Caden's phone, and his phone was touching his guitar through his pants, so it shook the vibration of his Android. Not all dogs go to heaven. We were in the guitar practice room at school, and Kaden played out the chords, and he thought that it was what did he think it was? Here Comes Your Man?
No,
I think
it's Stairway to Heaven.
No. That's what it is.
It's Here.
That's
I
what
thought it
we
was
did.
Here Comes Your
That's
Man.
what it.
Yeah,
actually
you thought it was Here Comes Your Man, and we took that, and he sang Not All Dogs Go to Heaven over top of it. He sang that, and I sang Not All Cats Go to Hell, and then I just took that home and I finished that night. And then it wasn't that good of a song, and Levi kept saying that it needs more and it needs something else towards like the end, and that's when that whole big booming part came through. I wrote that in one period at school when I was TA. That one was really cool. I really like that song a lot.